A credit score doesn't exist for most 18-year-olds because lenders need at least one account reporting activity before anything gets generated. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to start building credit from zero, which first accounts actually get approved at 18, and how to avoid the mistakes that keep people stuck with no score for years. First step is opening a starter credit card designed for beginners. These are usually called secured credit cards or student credit cards. A secured card works by requiring a refundable deposit that becomes your credit limit. That deposit reduces risk for the bank, which is why approval is much easier with no credit history. Second step is keeping usage extremely low once you get approved. Credit utilization is how much of your limit you're using at any time. Even if your limit is small, using only a small portion and paying it off on time helps your score build faster. Lenders mainly want to see consistent payments, not high spending. Third step is setting up automatic payments immediately. One missed payment early on can delay credit building significantly because payment history is the biggest factor in credit scoring. Even a single late payment can stay on your report for years, so automation removes that risk completely. Another method is becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This means a parent or trusted adult adds you to their account, and their payment history may be reflected on your credit file. If the account is old and well managed, it can help you build credit faster without applying for anything yourself. You can also build credit through alternative reporting services in some cases. Certain bills like phone plans or utilities don't always count toward credit by default, but some services can report them to credit bureaus if enrolled. This adds more payment history over time, which helps strengthen a thin credit file. To wrap it up, building credit at 18 comes down to starting with a beginner card, keeping usage low, never missing payments, and adding extra reporting accounts when possible. Start with a secured credit card, turn on automatic payments the same day, and treat every payment like it's the foundation of your credit history. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more simple credit guides and personal finance breakdowns.